Hello Aquarius, and this is your quick oracle reading gamit natin affirmation of the fairy cats. If you're new to this YouTube channel, do subscribe, like, and share. And your card is blue, blossom, bloom tuloy, blossom. So, literal, ano pa bang kailangan ng hintayin? Ano bang sign pa ba hinihintay mo para mamukadkad ka na? Ano pa ba yung sign na hinihintay mo para andoon na you attract what you need to attract? Although, yes, andoon na yung point na you're an air element at iniisip mo yung maraming mga bagay. But this is a moment that the universe is giving you the sign. Ramdam mo na yung prompting, ramdam mo na yung urge, ramdam mo na pinupush ka. Take that leap. Go ahead and take that opportunity. Huwag mo isipin, ay wala pa resources. It will come in the right time and it will be given to you in the right place. The hows and whys of the universe, si universe na bahala doon. Ang kailangan mo lang sumunod. So I hope nakatulong yung reading sa'yo and I'll see you in the next video.